Hi, Miss Dakanay. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. I am Anira P. Dacanar, 31 years old. I am married from Coronadal, South Cotabato, Philippines.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have one daughter, age of 9 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings, 1 brother, 2 sisters. I am the third and youngest of the family.
Please tell me your educational background.
I am graduate of college, 2 years of course.
What course?
Computer programming.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am, but I work here in the Philippines. From November 2023, from January. I work here in the Philippines, ma'am, from January 2023 to November 2025. Five member. I am the house helper of the family. 5 member. One couple, 2 adults, and 1 child. I do cleaning, washing, ironing, gardening, marketing, take care of the pets, and also take care of the 5 years old children.
Did you finish your contract?
No, ma'am, this is my first time.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, I finished in 2 years.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, cheerful, loving mom, and also honest.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work in abroad because I want to help my family financially and also save the future of my child.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm willing to take care of the small dogs, but not in the big dogs because I'm scared.
Okay, please give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will talk to them, and I will talk about them and in the calm voice.
Okay, thank
you.
you.